Okay, we're on problem number 11 now, kind of moving through the problem set. It says determine the point at which the function is discontinuous. And then, classify as removable, jump, or infinite. So the first thing I'll do is that the exponential functions are good everywhere, but I'm wondering, does the bottom ever equal 0? And that will be a problem for me. So I'm going to write down e to the 2x equals e to the minus x plus 3. Well, for those to be equal, 2x would have to equal minus x plus 3, where 3x would equal 3. So I'm going to say x equals 1 is trouble. All right, so I know there's trouble there. So let me erase this over here and write the domain down now. So the domain of this problem is going to be all the real numbers, but x can't be 1. All right? So what I want to do is I want to look at the limit. And the limit, I'll write this over here, limit. And it's tough. I'm not saying it's going to be an easy problem to do. So x goes to 1 from the left. I'm just going to put f of x over here. And then I'm going to put the limit as x approaches 1 from the right of f of x. All right? So let's take a look at it. And what I got over here is, this is the number 1 and the left side. All right? So, kind of looking at it, let's take a look. Be careful about this too. And I'm looking at, e to the 2x minus e to the minus x plus 3. And let's take a look at a number, see what happens over here. And it's not the easiest thing to look at. You got e to the 2x, and then minus e to the minus x plus 3. I'm going to write that a little differently. I'm going to write it as 3 minus x. Right, it's kind of a battle problem. And looking at it, what I want to claim over here, if I took a number, and I want to just emphasize over here, like if I took the number 0.9, I want to write that down for you. So e, 0.9 would be, what's 2 times 0.9 is 1.8. Minus e, I said 0.9, right? So what's it going to be? 3 minus 0.9, which is 2.1. Well, I hope you realize that looking at that expression now, I know this is negative over here. And where's it going? It's actually going towards 0. So I'm going to say from the left, it's going to be minus infinity. Now, if you did it from the right, I'm saying over here, you've thought about it like a number like, maybe 0.1. Let me plug that in. So we're going to get e to the 2.2, and then minus, we're checking 1.1 out. What do you get over there? E. And again, we chose 0.9, now we're at 1.1. And 3 minus 1.1 would be 1.9, right? What's happening over there? I hope you realize that e to the 2.2 is overpowering the other guy. So what do you get up there? You get a positive number. What does that mean, plus infinity? What do we have here? Definitely an infinite discontinuity. All right, let me take a look, make sure it's written down. Infinite discontinuity there. You may need to review this over here to figure out why that's the case, by the way. All right? What do you mean by that? Your 119 material. Thank you.